Hi guys, and welcome to my latest video, and today we're going to talk about the Worx HydroShot, and this is the one, and we're going to show you all about it and the bits and pieces to go with it, and also we're going to show you how I washed the car with it. See you in a bit. Right guys, in the box you get a portable bucket, which is a useful bit of kit, your actual gun, an end piece, and with multiple parts which you can spray out. Also you get an extension, a brush, and your pipe, and that actually fits into a bucket of water and it floats. Also you get one battery. Now this is the smaller type of battery. In one of the kits you can get a double the size, but if you buy the one with the smaller battery, do get a spare battery, because they do last about a half an hour if it's non-stop. Also with the kit you get the charger. Also you get a bag to put all the bits and pieces in. Guys, and not forgetting the snow foam gun. Yes. All right guys, and now we're going to fit it all up. First of all, you get your extension piece, pop it in. That just connects like that, and then you can go for your snow gun. And again, that just connects on the end. Battery, it actually just slides in on a slider like that, and then you've got a button on the side to press, and it fires up. Next stage, unwind your pipe. Connect the pipe onto the bottom. The pipe is exactly the same as you would an ordinary hose pipe, just connect it in. The pipe then goes in to the bucket, or like that. Next thing guys, get out of your cannon and the gun and just prime it. And this is just letting the water through. There you go. Pop your snow foam on. Now we're going to snow foam. Right, I'm going to show you now the other way. You can use the smaller bit if you don't want to use all that. And again, just in case you're wondering, I have actually doubled up on the concentrate of the snow foam in that gun. Now I can tell you now, that isn't coming out very well at all. I've done this numbers of times. It still doesn't come out brilliantly. You're better off using a power washer for snow foam. But it's more of a lubrication than anything. Something's better than nothing. And there's a good example. Right, the idea of this is when you go to a car show, you can take it along with you in the boot. You can take your bucket of water or a can of water, and what's ideal, when you get to the show, you can wash your car down and do your 2 bucket trick, and everyone looks at you thinking, yeah, cool, look at that guy. You know, it is a simple tool, very easy to operate, and though looking at how the snow foam goes on, it's not going on as well as a pressure washer, but it does go well. It's cool. There is no adjustment to the snow foam, it's as it comes, so there isn't a lot you can do about it, but it's still lubrication on your bodywork. Once again, with any snow foam, you need to let it drool for a while. Though this car's fairly clean anyway, it is really just to get rid of the dust. And for the best way of washing your car, 2 buckets, a grit guard in each of them, and 1 bucket full of plain water to rinse, and the other bucket is actually full of car wash shampoo. Now the rinse off with the HydroShot. First we put our attachment on. This is the same as you get on a hose pipe. It's got several settings and it's easy to fit. This is not like a Karcher power washer, but it does do the job. It does take a bit of time to do. And one thing I will mention, that battery which is on there will last the whole job. So you can get away with that smaller battery for doing a mini. But if you're thinking about doing larger vehicles, you do need the bigger battery. Though the bigger battery costs a lot more, it's worth getting the bigger version. And I bet you're wondering how much water we've used, especially if you're on a water meter. So you can see I've not used a lot. Bear this in mind, this is on a mini. And if you've got a bigger vehicle, you certainly would need a fair more of those jerry tins. And now for drying your vehicle. I always get myself a drying towel. Now these are larger than a normal towel and they're very absorbent. And they don't cost a lot. Other than that, Worx also do a leaf blower, which I've purchased, and in one of my videos I've actually used the leaf blower on my car, which works really well. And that's what's great about the Worx products. You can use these batteries over and over. It's share a battery. There we go folks, wasn't that nice and easy to wash your car with a Worx HydroShot? Now if you want any more information, do check out the description. And if you like this type of content, please subscribe and please share. And we'll see you again very shortly on the Creator Baker channel. Laters!